Pool or lake can quickly turn deadly. Drowning is among the leading causes of unintentional injury deaths in children. Save Kids Shawnee County and the YMCA have teamed up to reach more children with important safety lessons. 13's Melissa Bruner dives into the details in tonight's To Your Health.
Every kid should learn how to swim. Every kid should know how to save themselves in the event they do fall into the water.
Topeka YMCA interim CEO Alexis Hill is inspired to spread the message of water safety from calls answered during her 10 years as a 911 dispatcher. Teresa Taylor, Stormont Vale's trauma outreach manager, is motivated by the several near drownings in children in their ER already this season.
We're happy to report all of them have gone home and they are fine, but that's not always the case.
Taylor, who also works with Safe Kids Shawnee County, says drowning can happen quickly.
It can be less than a minute of being in water to where there's decreased oxygen levels to the brain, affecting that person's consciousness.
If you see someone struggling in the water, number one, get them out and have someone call 911. If they're breathing, turn them on their side so they can cough out any water. If they're not breathing, start CPR.
Knowing CPR is essential if you're going to be around water, because CPR absolutely saves lives.
Prevention is best. And that's where swimming lessons are essential. The Y starts as young as 6 months old.
They learn that they have to sit on the edge until mom says, okay, or until they say 1, 2, 3, go, so that they start learning that they have to wait.
The Y and Safe Kids have teamed up to reach more school-age kids with a reduced rate intro to swim and water safety. It covers floating, breath holding, and other skills.
If they fall into the water, being able to push off the bottom, turn around, and go back where they came from. That way they are closer to shore and have more opportunity for safety.
Kansas had 51 child drowning deaths from 2016 to 2021 and 326 near drownings. Most were in swimming pools, but lakes, bathtubs, even the yard pose a risk.
That it only takes an inch of water to drown.
Not much water and not much time. Safe Kids recommends a designated sober adult water watcher anytime kids are around water.
Oftentimes I think we imagine that there's going to be a big loud splash, or if someone's struggling, you'll be able to hear it and it'll be a big production, but it's not. It's pretty quiet.
Which is why Hill hopes families hear the message about swimming lessons so today's dispatchers get fewer tragic calls.
If I can have one kid learn how to float, if I can have one kid learn how to swim and save themselves, then that makes a difference to our community.
Melissa Bruner, 13 News.
The Topeka Y's reduced cost swim lessons are $20 for members and non-members. They're for kids ages 5 to 9 with the next session starting July 15th. You can email swim@ymcatopeka.org or see their website for information. They also have a free life jacket loaner station. A properly fitting life jacket is essential for kids anytime they're around a lake or a river.